I remember once I was put in a very weird situation where I used to work for a fellow who was weird in their demands, who would treat me in a way that I did not think I should be treated. And if I continued to work for that fellow, I'd have risen up the social chain, the financial chain pretty fast. I'm not, look, everybody's financial circumstances are different, everybody's life choices are different. I'm not going to ask you to follow my life choices, but I'm telling you a story, so follow carefully. Good guy, but weird. And I remember one day sitting with him, listening to him talk to me in a certain way. And I look at myself and I tell myself, I'm like, how am I going to meet the eyes of my friends who have always told, be fearless, fight for your rights, stand up for yourself, and be you, if I continue to listen to this guy for some compromise on money and status? I was like, this cannot be. This cannot be. And I spent a few days thinking, what if something's wrong with me? What if I give him enough time? And I gave him a couple of months. But then I was like, bro, मैं अपने दोस्तों की आंखों में कैसे आंखें मिलाऊं यार तेरे से बात कर, like मैं, if I, when I let you talk to me like this, I feel like I'm letting all of those guys down. And that gave me the strength to be like, you know what, I'll figure my own shit out. I'll go do my own thing. Because I knew there were other people watching, even if they were not. So I come back to my friends and I tell them, I'm like, I quit. And I quit because of you guys. Because, I wanted to be the example of a guy that fights for his rights no matter what. Fights for what is true and just no matter what. Fights for the value of grace no matter what. Right? And my friends like, we don't give a shit what you do. And I was like, चुप रह, मेरे को तेरे से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. कुत्ते, मैंने जो किया तेरे लिए किया, अब तो चुप रह. And the general point there is, bro, पड़ता है फर्क. Now when shit goes down for them, they come and tell me that story. They're like, if you could do this, we could do this. Right? दोस्त दोस्त होते हैं, दोस्त कुत्ते होते हैं साले. दोस्तों का काम है कुत्ता होना. दोस्तों का काम है उल्टी बात करना, पैर खींचना, टांग खींचना. Right? But it is because I included those guys in my area of concern and I made a choice that represented not just what I wanted, but what they wanted and what they deserved, that I made different choices.